Good day. So this is the continuation of our last activity. So let's start. Looking inside Pockets in simulation mode. Continuing from the last activity, click Reset Simulation. This clears the entires in the event list except for the original Pocket. So i-click na lang Simulation, then click ang Reset Simulation. Select Pocket Envelope on the workspace to show the video information window like one shown in the screenshot below. So try to liwat, burang message. Then i-click down no ang video information. This Windows contains the OSI model tab, which shows how the packet is processed at each layer of the OSI model by the current device. Close the window, noting that this packet is indicated in the event list by the eye icon. The whole row in the event list is also highlighted. Click on the color square in the info column in equivalent, clicking directly on the packet envelope. Try it. So click the ono, then pangtang ay nga icon. So are magwang ay nga icon. So click ta ang color. Okay daw. Ining color daw shortcut ini isang magkadto sa envelope. So proceed. Use the next layer of and previous layer buttons to see details of the packet processing at the relevant OSI layers. Note that the out layers can be viewed in the case of the original echo request message. Okay, click kaliwat. So dire makita tang in layers kag ang out layers. So sa subong di pa sa naton makita iyang kumbaga do description ilog sinisang layer 3 kag layer 2 maaari subong. Then number 5, proceed. Close the video information window. Click on the capture forward button once. So kadto sa simulation. Capture forward button once, click lang. Click on the packet in the workspace again to open the video information window. Notice that this time information regarding both in the layers and out layers can be viewed. So try ta kung ma-open. Nari na sa nagwa na ang sa in layers kag ang out layers, so pwede ta na sila mabasa ilang kumbaga do description. Are sa examples, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, isang in layers, isang out layers, layer 1, layer 2, and iyang layer 3. So i-close na lang liwat. Click on the inbound video details. Show details in the inbound echo request packet from PC to the server. And outbound video details tab shows information but for the echo reply packet from the server to the PC. Click reset simulation again. So i-click kaliwat ang reset simulation. Now click auto capture play. Click ng auto capture play. The echo request and echo reply are automatically captured. Click on the back button to rewind the animation one step at a time. So click ka sa ang back. Now click on the capture forward button to forward the packet through the animation. So i-click kaliwat ang capture forward. Note the change in the event list and the workspace. Remember that anytime video information window can be opened by clicking directly on the envelope on the workspace or by clicking the info column in the event list. So, pwede naman sila makita ta ang video information by clicking sa muna sa color sa box ang de sa envelope. Click on the back button twice to rewind the animation. Click the back button twice. 1, 2. Now click auto capture, play, and the pocket animation will automatically occur. So click talaga ang capture play. Then ato na try ta kung makita tang animation. So nag-send na sa. So muna lang para sa muni nga part.